If you're tired of getting declined for credit cards with low limit credit cards, stay tuned because I'm going to teach you what you need to do to make sure you get the best approval you can with Navy Federal Credit Union, the #1 personal bank that you want to be with to make sure you get high limit credit cards, great personal loans, and much, much more. First of all, stop getting them builder cards. Please leave Open Sky and Credit One where they are. They have literally the highest interest rate, horrible payment processing that can cause you to easily get a late payment, and their annual fees take up more of your hard-earned money than the actual credit that they lend to you. So this is why credit unions are better and they're different, because they're for members and they specifically are funded by members, so they're intentional about treating their members right because they know they have to lend out the members' money. Stop jumping the gun as soon as you join Navy Federal Credit Union. You know you have bad credit, so babes, you must build your credit with them first. One thing about Navy Federal, they have their own Navy Federal scoring system. And with that scoring system, it is different from your personal credit score. They have an internal score specifically with them where they base it based off of your history with them, making your payments on time, having multiple products with them, and all of these things can make or break your approval. Even if you don't have the best credit, it can actually work in your favor that Navy Federal has their own personal scoring system. So I'll kind of put it on the screen above so y'all can see the different levels of how they determine that scoring system, because it is important for you guys to know what you're getting into when you join this specific credit union, because they are a little different. So we're going to be intentional about focusing on building our internal scores with Navy Federal. Since it ranges anywhere from 100 to 450, that is the main thing that I want us to be looking at doing before we jump the gun and just start applying for things. So I want you to set up these 5 things to boost your internal scores. #1, you're going to open your free checking account. There's no need to do a paid version. Just maintain your balances. Make sure you put at least $50 in there. If you can switch over your direct deposit because you want to build your relationship with them, definitely do that. Or you can split it 50-50 for whatever bank you were already using. So that's the other thing. See about how you want to set up your direct deposit split. That's #2. #3, open a savings account, deposit regularly, and leave it. This shows you're a stable member. #4, do a 24-month pledge loan. Don't do the auto pay. You want to make your payments manually. So when you first get the pledge loan, let's say you do a pledge loan for $2,500, you want to pay the $2,000 off as soon as you do the pledge loan, because once you do it, you automatically get your money back, so you don't have to worry about your money being tied up or anything like that. That way you leave the $500 and you just pay on that monthly for 24 months so that you build up your internal score and relationship with them. And by the time it reports on your personal credit, it'll already show that you've added a personal loan that's majority, at least 80% paid off. So if you want more information on how to do the pledge loan, apply, and do the step-by-step, I will link my pledge loan video above because I have a detailed one specifically. #5, you want to open a CD, a certificate of deposit. It shows that you're using multiple products with Navy Federal Credit Union, which they love to see. Do all of these for 6 to 8 months before applying for your credit cards. That's how you're going to get your high limits with low rates. Now, the CD is something that I would definitely say that's optional. For the most part, as long as you have decent credit, as long as you're doing these things within the next 90 days for sure, you can move forward with the next step of applying. So don't worry, you do have a little flex room there. So tip 3, you're going to choose the right credit card at the right time. Always start with the Platinum credit card. It's the middle tier product, and clients who follow this process have gotten approved for $25,000 limits with interest rates as low as 9%, which is pretty decent based on the market right now. Don't go straight for the flagship card. Everybody ain't got flagship approval credit, okay? I don't know what else to tell you. You want to start mid-tier, then eventually you go to the flagship. So let that be your last card after you've built a relationship with them and you know your credit is built up as well. Now wait, if you don't already have a personal bank account with Navy Federal Credit Union, no worries. Make sure you comment free account, and I'm going to send you guys the link to open up your free account with Navy Federal. You do not have to be a current person that's in the armed forces. You just need to call in and give them the right information so that you can open up your free account with them today. So if you comment the word free, I'll send you over the information to open up your free bank account with Navy, because I want to make sure you get in so that you can then take these steps that I'm giving you to build up your relationship with them so that you can get approved. So I'll make sure also to link the free information for your account in the description, so no worries there. One thing about me, baby, I love Navy Federal. So rather than just talk about it, I want to show y'all social proof. The first card that I actually did apply for was the platinum card. That was the first one that I got. I have about a $25,000 limit on this one. And then I applied for the AM EST card. So I really love this card because this is my everyday card as far as like getting points, because I get 3 times the points for restaurant purchases. I get points for when I get gas. I get points for a lot of things. So I usually use these points later on in the year to travel or get gift cards. So I did the AM EST card with Navy, and then I also have the cashback card. So anything that I can specifically get points with, I use the cashback card. So at least at the end of the month, whatever I've used in cash, I can just use that to go towards my credit card bill, or if I want to use it for something else. So I am giving y'all social proof that not only do I rave about Navy Federal, I use multiple of their products myself because I know that they're giving out the big limits. Most of the credit cards that I have with them are all individually at least $20,000 to $30,000 limits. Y'all need to get with Navy Federal if you have not already, because I want to help you take your credit to the next level. Now, if you're like, hey, Rose, I've done these steps, but I'm still getting denied because my credit is not the best, I got you there too. I want you to join Rose Credit Academy. We are live every Tuesday at 7:30 Central PM. I will go live on Zoom with you. I'll pull up your credit report and we will go over your negative accounts. I'll show you how to dispute them. I will also assist you with building your credit so that you can make it to the 700s club, and we can spin the block, maybe within about 3 to 4 months, and you apply for your new credit card after you've taken the proper credit repair steps. The main thing is, because it can take a few months to establish your relationship with Navy, you need to be simultaneously fixing your credit. It is not going to fix itself. So if you join Rose Credit Academy, I'm going to help you with doing that. It is a very one-on-one thing. It's a community. When students are getting deletions, they are posting them in the group chat. They're asking questions. Everybody is working together to reach the end goal of building their credit. I hope to see y'all in Rose Credit Academy. So if you want to join, just click the link in description or comment the word class. And of course, I'll send you the link, and I hope to see you this upcoming Tuesday. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Send this to a friend of a friend. If they need a free Navy Federal account, you need to send them this video, okay? And I will see y'all next time. If you made it to the video, comment I made it. Bye. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.